Bookkeeping Confidential here with you today. We're a full-service virtual bookkeeping firm here to help you bring profit to your business and eliminate the time and burden of bookkeeping from you. We're going to talk about setting up inventory today. We're going to go over to sales, then down to products and services. Click on New. This is a good time of year to start working on this. Inventory. We have scrubbers that we're adding. For our fountains, we have 5 on hand right now. I'll jump back. You can even add a picture of it. And it'll load. As of today, see my picture? And when you go down to 3 in stock, you're going to want to reorder. And these scrubbers, in the bowl, and fountains. And you sell them for $50 each. Goes into your product income. But you purchase them for $25 each. And your preferred vendor is EDD. Save and close. There you go. You now have scrubbers as an inventory item. Cost $25. You have 5 on hand, and you're going to reorder at 3. Thank you. Have a great day.